This elephant is free in the wild like he should be, but some animals get snatched from the wild and forced to perform in the circus. Is this right for the animals? I strongly believe it isn't, but you can see for yourself. Does this look right to you? And this? What about this? Lions shouldn't be doing this. A bear riding on a scooter? The trainers are not mean to them in public, but behind closed doors, they tie the animals up, hit them, whip them. They put them in tiny cages. Can you imagine how frustrated they are? They chain the animals up. Sink that hook into them. When you hear their screaming, then you know you got their attention, said by a circus animal trainer. Facts. 96% of a circus animal's life is spent in chains or cages. 11 months of the year, the animals travel around the country without heating in the cold weather, air conditioning in the warm weather, or food. When the animals are allowed out of the cage, they have huge discipline: whipping, hitting, poking, and electric prods. Circus elephants may carry tuberculosis, which can infect people with bacterial disease. Since 1990, the circus has been responsible for more than 100 human injuries worldwide. I hope after this you never attend a circus with animals. And tell your friends. Thanks for watching by Scarlett.